Welcome back to the CEN YouTube channel. The wait is officially over. After 7 long months, we finally have our BMW demo vehicle. Behind me is the 2 Series Grand Coupe F44 model. This vehicle came equipped with the base audio system from the factory, meaning no amplification or tweeters within the system. We've collaborated with Audiotec Fischer UK to include a full match upgrade on this vehicle. That will include front speakers, under-seat woofers, rear speakers and an amplifier DSP. To start the upgrade off, we've stripped all 4 doors down to allow access to the outer door skin. We have then used Dynamat sound deadening material, which will be helping to reduce road noise, kill unwanted vibrations and overall give the speakers a better platform to play from. For the front speakers, we have used the UP C42BMW-FRT.2. This consists of a 4-inch mid-range and tweeter. We have then purchased directly from BMW the original housings for a factory look finish. For the rear speakers, we have used the UP X4BMW-FRT.2. This is a 4-inch coaxial and is located in both rear doors. Finishing off replacing the speakers, we have upgraded the under-seat woofers from a 6.5 inch to an 8 inch. We have used the UP 8 BMW-S. These are 2 ohm impedance and gain a lot more power compared to the 4 ohm version once amplified. Moving on to the amplification, we have used the UP 8 DSP along with the Match PP 1.7 RAM wiring loom. This loom allows for fitment without any damage to the original BMW wiring harness. The 8 DSP gives us 6 channels of amplification at 65 watt RMS and then 2 channels at 160 watt RMS for the underseat woofers. Once all the equipment was installed, our technician Jason has professionally tuned the DSP. This allows us to control things such as time alignment, equalization and crossover points. Overall, from when the vehicle was delivered to us to now, the difference in audio quality is huge. Replacing the speakers and the added amplification has made a significant difference. If you're looking for some ideas or want a demonstration for your BMW, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. If you're looking to purchase the products, they're available to view and purchase on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.